Hey my lovelies, welcome back or welcome to our channel if you're new here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's a 2-in-1 get ready with me, which is hair and makeup. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So we're going to start off with our hair already glued down. I used the Got To Be Glued and I just laid it down the night before. And I'm just going to be taking my spray bottle with water in it and just completely like drenching my hair. I want it to be soaking wet because I find that it's way easier to detangle this hair when it's like completely wet. I snapped on this install today. Like, tell me that's not coming on my scalp. Let me know in the comments if y'all feeling this install. If y'all want a detailed video about how I do my installs, definitely let me know in the comments. Alright, so now that my hair is completely wet, I'm just going to take my leave-in conditioner, and I'm only showing y'all a little bit in my hand, but I'm going to keep on applying it until I feel like my hair is completely coated with it, because this is what's going to give you that wet look all throughout the day, even when your hair is not wet anymore. Part is pretty self-explanatory. All I'm doing is like detangling and like making my curls uniform and smoothing it out so that it looks like this when it's done. I love wearing my hair like this. It's so sleek, it looks so flat and laid. Yeah. Alright lovely, so now that our hair is nice and laid, we're going to go ahead and prime our face. I already moisturized beforehand. I'm using the e.l.f. primer. I'll leave everything in the description box, and I'm just going to pat this into my skin. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and color correct. And taking this small blending brush and just making sure that it's nice and blended out. And then I'm going to use my fan to dry it down a little bit because it's a pretty like liquidy product. And I noticed that when I don't do this before I set it, it kind of like moves around a little bit. Look how much of a difference that made. Like, even without the foundation and everything, this looks so bomb. So now I'm just going to use this big fluffy brush to dust off all the excess powder on my eyes before I do my foundation. And then I'm just going to use my go-to foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, I think, in the shade 355 Coconut. And just take a little tiny bit of it and then use a dense foundation brush to apply that to my face. And then next I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, I think, and just go ahead and highlight everywhere where we normally highlight. I'm not going to do a whole lot. I want this to look really natural. I know I'm doing a whole lot of natural makeup looks, but I promise y'all I'm gonna get back into the looks really soon. I'm just really feeling the natural like makeup look lately. I don't know. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this really small blending brush to blend out my highlight. And I like using the smaller brushes to do this because I can get more precise and I end up taking my time more in the end, which makes my makeup look so much better, I'm noticing. So yeah, I'm loving that. Using the same black opal setting powder that we used earlier to go ahead and set my highlight. I had this for like a whole year and a half and I never really used it. sculpting shade, which I'm almost out of, and we're just gonna go ahead and basically bronze up our skin before we contour. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this like on the lace so that it blends into the contour. I'm using the same Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. I'm going to use the contour shade and just contour my face really lightly. I used to go real ham with this, and I just noticed that it looks so dark and heavy, so I'm not going to do a whole lot. And after I apply my contour shade everywhere where I want it, I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it all together so that it's not a harsh line. But the powder contour palette, using the sculpting shade, I'm going to go ahead and set everywhere where I bronze my skin up. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the contour shade. I'm going to set my contour. Now what I'm going to do is take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 355 Coconut and just do some reverse contouring. Y'all, don't come for me, but until I get like a real blush shade, I'm going to be taking this Beauty Glaze Impress You palette and like the two reddish burgundy shades and just using that as my blush. I really like this color combo. I think it goes good with my skin tone and it looks so cute. And now we're just going to highlight. I'm using the Unicorn Glow palette. I'm taking the shade Enchanted. I'm just going to highlight all my high points and just make my skin look really glowy, really dewy and fresh. And then I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to do some black eyeliner. This one is the NYX Ultimate Eye Pencil or something like that. I'll leave the name in the description box. Taking my favorite beauty supply store lashes. Gonna pop them on. Real cute, real poppin' or whatever. Gonna set my face using the LA Color setting spray. Taking my fan, which is my favorite part. You know, real bougie or whatever. And just dry that down. And then I'm going to do some mascara on my bottom lashes to pop them out a little bit. Combo, which is this brown lip liner from NYX and this matte liquid lip from, I don't even know what brand it's from, but I'll leave it down below for you guys. And yeah, I'm just going to go back and forth and blend that out. Add some gloss. This is the last little bit. I'm scraping this last little bit out this bottle because I love this lip gloss. And that is the end of this video, you guys. I'm obsessed with this natural look lately. It looks so good. And yeah, my hair came out popping or whatever. I'm really happy with the way this look came out. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys want an in-depth baby hair wig installation video, and I will definitely make sure I put that out for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.